like how to manage the existing product. Just click on the products detail. You can see from view here, you can just see the view. Whatsoever details are shown here, you can just update and manage here. As you can see, the description is shown, that is from here, and then the title would be shown here, and then the vendor if necessary, it's not necessary, and the collection if you want to set it, the tags, the images according to like under which the product lies, and yeah, the size if we have any variant. So those are the size that you can see here. Different sizes are there, and the pricing for different sizing. If we have different price for different sizing, we can just manage it. These are the colors, size, fabrics, age groups, and target gender. You can manage it. This is how you can manage the product in Shopify. The main thing is status. You can make it active, or like if you don't want to show it to the people, you can keep it on draft or make it as active. And after completing, you can see it's a preview. Clicking on the preview, you can see how the product looks like. Thank you.